Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林。这个月呢，我们教一句非常实用，但是呢，我好像不小心会常用的。I feel so bad, but a lot of times I have to say this. 父母差的 that means 来不及了。
来不及了。
I'm late. It's too late. Okay. Right. Try not to say this too much, but I do. And so let's go ahead and teach you things or scenarios where you might say, "Oh, 来不及了 I'm too late." Okay. 讲一个比较我曾经因为这样子没坐上飞机的状况。
不会
就是去赶飞机的时候 when you go to the airport, sometimes you're late packing and then you take a cab, you tell the cab driver to drive faster, but then he has to obey the traffic rules, and then you get there, it's all too late, and the gate has closed already, okay? So how do you say, drive faster, 开快一点？
四脚对位。
四脚对位 okay? 四脚 that means 开快，对位就一点这样子，
快一点哦
okay? Just drive a little faster.
那海陆腔，四脚对位。
两个都给他讲，看能不能快一点，对不对？
四脚对位，四脚对位。
四脚对位 Okay, that's a different dialect of saying drive faster. And then we're going to the airport, right? 机场怎么说呢？
飞航机场。
飞航機 actually means an airplane, and 場
就是飞机场
is
的
the
场。
port, exactly. So 飛航機場 that means an airport. All right. 那刚刚讲的飞机就是
飞航机。
对嘛 We already taught you how to say airport, which includes the airplane. So 飛航機 is airplane. 就是飞机。好，我们来造个句好了。OK， 就是进去这个问讲的这个 taxi 之后呢，就是要说我赶着去机场。其实讲这几个字啊，问讲就知道了。好了，OK。When you get in the cab, maybe you want to say, "Hey, I need to get to the airport fast."
我趕緊愛去。
我趕緊愛去。
飛航機場。
飛航機場 Again, that's airport. Last 4 words. But 我趕緊愛去。
就是我趕着去了。
That means I am in a hurry to go to the 飛航機場. Okay, that's again the airport. So now you know how to say that in a complete sentence when you're in a cab. So let's review these terms, all right? 開快一點就是 drive faster.
四腳對位。
四腳對位 And then the airplane, 我們先從飛機。
飛航機。
飛航機 And then the airport, 機場。
飛航機場。
飛航機場 And we're all talking about a scenario when you're late and you say 來不及了。
父母差。
父母差的 And that's another practical Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
按字say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.